On May 22, 2025, a devastating plane crash in San Diego's Murphy Canyon neighborhood claimed the lives of 6 individuals, including renowned music executive Dave Shapiro, and former drummer Daniel Williams of The Devil Wears Prada. The crash not only shook the music industry but also raised concerns about aviation safety and community impact. Dave Shapiro, 42, was a pivotal figure in the music world. As co-founder of Sound Talent Group, he represented artists like Sum 41, Pierce the Veil, and Vanessa Carlton. His passion extended beyond music. He was an experienced pilot and owned Velocity Aviation, a flight school, and Velocity Records. Shapiro's dedication to independent artists and his adventurous spirit made him beloved in both the music and aviation communities. Daniel Williams, known for his role as the drummer in The Devil Wears Prada, was also on board. Hours before the crash, Williams shared a photo from the cockpit with the caption, "Here we go," reflecting his excitement for the journey. His untimely death has left fans and fellow musicians mourning the loss of a talented artist. The Cessna Citation II jet, piloted by Shapiro, departed from Teterboro, New Jersey, with a stop in Wichita, Kansas, before heading to San Diego. Around 3:47 a.m., amid dense fog, the plane crashed approximately 2 miles from Montgomery Gibbs Executive Airport. The impact ignited fires that destroyed homes and vehicles, injuring 8 people on the ground and forcing the evacuation of over 100 residents. Eyewitnesses describe a scene of chaos and destruction. Jet fuel spilled into the streets, igniting multiple fires and causing extensive damage to the military housing area. Emergency responders faced a harrowing situation as they worked to contain the blaze and assist the injured. The National Transportation Safety Board, NTSB, has launched an investigation into the crash. While the exact cause remains undetermined, factors such as weather conditions and potential mechanical issues are being examined. The aviation community awaits answers to prevent future tragedy. The music industry has expressed profound grief over the loss of Shapiro and Williams. Sound Talent Group released a statement mourning the deaths of their co-founder and colleagues, highlighting Shapiro's vision and dedication to artists. Tributes have poured in from bands and musicians, reflecting the deep impact these individuals had on the music world. This tragedy underscores the importance of aviation safety, especially in private flights. It raises questions about pilot training, aircraft maintenance, and the risks associated with flying in adverse weather conditions. Communities and regulators must work together to enhance safety measures and prevent similar incidents. The crash also highlights the vulnerability of residential areas near airports. The destruction in Murphy Canyon serves as a stark reminder of the potential dangers posed by aviation accidents.